Oh yeah, I'm excited.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Jabril, and today we're going outside, we're smoking something, and we're doing chicken wings. So, before I get too far ahead, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that sub button for me. Share this with your friends and family. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm doing honey sriracha chicken wings, and then we're gonna make a creamy dill dip for the wings. And I have here about 2 pounds of wings that I have split, and I went ahead and took the tips off, did all the hard part, done it before. And so I'm going to season these with some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and then I'm gonna use some avocado oil. And switching it up, going to do rice vinegar to kind of go along with the flavor profile that we're doing. And it should do all right smoke. I will put the recipe and the measurements of seasonings in the description below for you guys. A little bit of salt, okay, a little bit of black pepper. And you can do these ahead of time. You can do do it and then put them in your fridge for an hour or two, or even overnight if you want. But that's our pepper, and then next our garlic powder, okay? Then avocado oil, about a 1/4 cup, just enough to coat the wings, okay? And then again, about a 1/4 cup, probably a little less, probably like 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, okay? I'm gonna give these a good toss, kind of massage it in there, get that seasoning worked around. And it doesn't really matter what wings you use. You can use ones that you have to cut up. You can use frozen ones. Doesn't matter. Just make sure that they're thawed ahead of time, because it will help with the cooking process. It will help with the consistency, and it's just a lot easier to work with, okay? And like I said, you can let those sit for an hour, or you can go ahead and throw them in the smoker. Doesn't matter. But here we go. So I'm gonna change my gloves, but for the first time in a long time, we're gonna head out to the smoker. And I have it set to 250 for this one, and hopefully we can get these done in about 2 hours, possibly 3. But let's head out to the smoker. Okay, we are going to go ahead and make our dipping sauce. Our wings are just about done, but it's going to be very simple. It's going to be a garlic dill dip. Very easy. All it is going to be a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of olive oil mayo, about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a tablespoon of dill, and then about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and I'm also going to add just a little bit of salt to this as well. Okay, give this a good stir. Alright, so I'm gonna set this guy off to the side into the fridge, and then like I said, our wings should be just about done. And then we will make our wing sauce, which is going to be sriracha, lime juice, some honey, and some minced garlic, as well as avocado oil. But let's go check on our wings. Alright, so I really don't want to sauce these, but they're pulled. That was about an hour and 45 minutes, but here you go. And like I said, did it at 250. And then I bumped it up to about 275, gave them a little boost, but let's make our wing sauce. All right, so like I said, sriracha, lime juice, avocado oil, honey, and minced garlic. Let's get started. And like I said, I will put the full recipe for this as well in the description below. Okay, give that a good whisk. That's yummy. I'm gonna add just a little bit more honey, give it a little bit more sweetness. Perfect. All right, let's toss some wings. Okay, I got my wings in here. Let's give these a toss. Okay, and there you have honey sriracha garlic wings. Let's try these out. All right, so I got me a plate here. We're classy. All right, and there you have the wings, the sauce. Cheers. Wow. Okay. All right. Hold on. Hot diggity dog. I love smoked wings, but this combo is bueno. So the wings have plenty of heat. It's not overpowering heat. It's just regular sriracha heat, but the wings are cooked perfectly. And then the sauce has a little bit of tang to it. It's that acidic lime juice and the acidity or the sweetness of the honey. And then the dipping sauce is really good. It's not ranch. It's definitely just a garlic sauce with dill, but it's very refreshing and it's very light, and I like it. And the sauce complements the wings quite nicely because it cuts through the heat, so it's not as aggressive. This is I've waited too long to do this. Well, guys, there you have it. Sriracha honey smoked chicken wings, just in time for football season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Also, make sure you share this with friends, family. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, Daddy needs his chicken wings right now. These are mine, not yours.